Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today, let's make our authentic and traditional Methiya Pez or fenugreek seeds and rice porridge. It's actually difficult to explain in short how healthy and nutritious this pez is. It's mostly given to a person feeling under the weather, new mothers for postpartum recovery, and even to increase the breast milk supply. So let's begin. I have taken half cup parboiled rice and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Let's wash them nicely 2 to 3 times and soak for 1 to 2 hours. Soaking will reduce the cooking time of the parboiled rice. If you do not have time to soak, you can cook the rice for 3 to 4 whistles extra. After 2 hours, I'll transfer this rice and fenugreek seeds to the pressure cooker along with the water used to soak them. Add some more water, some salt, and cook it until rice cook soft. I have used total 3 cups of water and cooked until 8 whistles. Water requirement and cooking time may differ from rice to rice. You can see the rice have perfectly cooked now. Now in a mixer grinder, add 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 2 to 3 pots of green cardamom, and 1 cup lukewarm water. Grind all this coarsely and squeeze out all the coconut milk. Repeat this process with more half cup water. So we have now 1.5 cup coconut milk. I'll keep this aside. Now in a pan, transfer the cooked rice, add half cup jaggery. If you prefer a little more sweeter, you can add 3/4 cup jaggery. Mix well and let the jaggery completely melt. Once the jaggery is melted, add coconut milk. Mix well. Cover and cook till it comes to a nice boil. You can see our Methiya Pez has started to boil. Give it a good mix and at the end garnish with some nuts of your choice or finely cut fresh coconut pieces. So this is our healthy and nutritious Methiya Pez or fenugreek seeds porridge ready to serve hot. Do give this video a like if you like the recipe and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.